There we go. Fold up, go right in a backpack.
Very nice.
Yeah, I dig it.
I like it.
Can't fire it with it's open. It'll work once. This build starts off with the shield arms folding lower, forged upper attached to a Roscoe Pureblood barrel, and then added a Timber Creek Enforcer carbon fiber kit. Shown here in OD green, the Enforcer kit comes in a variety of colors and even comes with a gas block and charging handle. Then to strap in and send those Freedom Seeds home, we threw in a Nickle Boron Spikes Tactical Bolt Carrier Group and a Geisley Stage 2 trigger. Shield Arms Lower comes with its own buffer that works specifically with it. So we just went ahead and accented that with the Strike Industries flat spring. MDT Minimalist stock kept to the lightweight profile and feels great. End plate having a QD mount right here and the handguard. So me being a lefty, I'm gonna go ahead and strap in. There we go. So from folded state, pull it out of your backpack, have this sling on it, flip it open, and you're ready to go. When certain items work like this, I just plain enjoy them, but these grip panels that I got for the handguard not only come in OD green and they're like a rubberized material, but not only do they provide protection from abrasive, mounting points, like, I don't know if you're on a window seal or, on a car or just broken material, whatever, you can lay this on it and it'll protect the carbon fiber handguard from any damage from that material, but also on a smooth surface that normally be sliding all over the place, it provides traction. And then also, as many of you know, it provides a heat resistance while on there. If you're long rapid firing, you know that barrel gets pretty hot. So it'll protect you against getting your hands too hot on there as well. And they're like all weather, so they don't freeze. It's pretty legit. B5 Systems, Bravo 5.